Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can create a custom view and event viewer on Windows 10. A custom view allows you to specifically go through a particular event in Event Viewer. So go ahead and open Event Viewer. Click Create Custom View on the right here. This is going to open the Create Custom View window, and it's basically a way to filter events. So starting from the top, you want to open the Logged dropdown and select the date or the date range for the events that you want to filter out. Next, there's the event level that you want to select. There's critical, warning, verbose, error, and information. Now, if you're looking for a specific level event, you should select it. But if you're not sure what level event it is, you can just leave these options unchecked. And next, you have to choose how the events are filtered. There's filter by log, or there's filter by source. Now, by log means that you have two default options to choose from, which is Windows logs and application and services logs. And if you go by source, you can select one or several apps and services and view all the events that have been created by them. So if you wanted to see all the events that were created by Google Chrome, this is the option that you'd select. And of course, there's also event ID. Every event that's logged in Windows 10, it has an ID. So if you want to use event ID to filter logs, you need to select the by log option and then make sure that you select both types of logs. Enter the event ID, or you can enter multiple IDs. You can just separate them with a comma. And finally, if you want, you can also specify keywords for the events. If you know that the error that you're looking for or the event that you're looking for is related to a printer, you can enter print, but this is optional. And once you're done, click OK. Give your custom view a name and description so that you know what it's for, and your logs are going to appear in this custom logs section in the column on the left. Go through the log and find the event that you're looking for. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.